Good YouTube, Travel with Dre, coming back with another one. As you guys see in the title, I have some very exciting news to make with you guys. But before we get into it, we're on our way to 1K, 1,000 subscribers, along with 4,000 watch time hours. Definitely appreciate you guys.
Remix! One, two, one, two. This the I'm a Boss remix! Meek Millie! Let's go!
I'm ride or dies, I'm riding by Hollow West Side, right inside of my Beamer 760i. Try me let off 60 shots again. We got the city hiding, popping like it's supposed to be. Hoes who not Minaj ain't got no business standing close to me. So cold up ferocious G. Niggas ain't a doping me. Mind your fucking business, watch your mouth when you approaching me. I fuck with hoes who fuck.
As you guys see in the title, yes, we're about to do some swiping. And of course they tell you, hey, you can't swipe here, you can't swipe there. If that's the case, then you don't need to be on Tinder at all, because you can get got in the States. They'll create a fake account all the time and get you if they want you. I mean, not just women, the men too. You know that you can get got regardless. So I'm gonna pretty much show you guys how I swipe, and so it can kind of at least limit you from dealing with what goes on in Colombia. As you guys can see, we are on Tinder, but before we get to swiping, I'm gonna give you guys a few tips to make your trip very worth going to in Colombia. There is a few things that I would first recommend. Know basic Spanish. Know how to say hola, como estas, como te llamas. You know what I'm saying? Know how to say yo soy de Estados Unidos. Know how to say little simple things. Ella no puede irse sin mí. Like, I basically just said she can't leave without me. Know how to say these things, because it at least allow you to have that percentage of something happening to you very, very minimal. The goal is to make that percent go down, 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 down. If we're over exaggerating, let it be. We're just trying to go and have fun and come back safely so we can continue living the life that we've been living before going. We're having that opportunity to go to these countries to spend some money, and we want to go and have a great vacation, and we want to come back and make the money that we had to allow us to go there so we can go to Peru and other places. So know that. Make sure she's showing her identity. Make sure you're staying in the Airbnb with 24/7 security. Tip him. Let him know the game before you even start doing these things. And then when she's there, as I said before, say it with your chest out with confidence. Ella no puede irse sin mí. You know what I'm saying? She can't leave without me. I don't care how she feel. If she don't like that, hey, there's more out there. You know what I'm saying? So that's just the game. You are the prize at the end of the day. So face shown right here in this picture. So with Tinder swiping, there's a few things that I go by. Face revealed, Instagram or Facebook. If they don't show the Instagram or Facebook, that's fine, because if we match, I'm going to ask, do you have Instagram or Facebook? If you don't have any of those things, not even TikTok, that's a no for me. Even in the States, it's a no for me. So I want to see more of just these photos. If you have Instagram or Facebook, I get a chance to see more photos of you. I get a chance to see your friends. I get a chance to see what you do on a daily. Even if you're a pro, I still want to know how you live your life. Are you nasty? You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot that you can know when you vet the right way. Face shown, I already looked at that profile. I'm sorry, I just made a mistake and swiped. But her face was shown in multiple photos and her body. So, and it's probably good anyway, because I don't want to get flagged. This right here is automatically a red flag to me, because it's giving me, it's just giving me LGBTQ vibes. Face not shown. Okay, face shown here. Face not shown. Face not shown. You got your eyes closed. It's a no-go. And then also check to see if they verified as well. Face shown. Face not shown. Face not shown. Face not shown. It's a no-go for me. The reason why I'm okay with doing it like this is because I know and realize there's beautiful women all over the globe. I don't have to piggy down to certain things that I see red flags to. Face shown, body shown. I love that. I love that. What age? 18. Make sure she has an ID. When you do match with her, you have an ID, because my Airbnb will check. Are you over 18? Because my Airbnb will check. If you don't like that, hey, talk to me when you turn 18. You know what I'm saying? Because this is the way it is. I'm not trying to come over here and get stuck. So you got to be 18. If you ain't 18, I don't want to deal with you no way. Even in the States, there's some places in the States you can be 16. But if you ain't over 18, it's a no-go for me. I'm just kind of giving you guys my way of doing it. Everybody have their own way. Couple photos, 3 photos, identity not shown. And she has over other, 5 more photos. It's a no-go for me. I don't have time to waste. Face not shown, face shown. This is absolutely a yes for me. But let's see. Let me take a deep breath. Let's still stay in our self. This is a 100%. This is a chick that I would want to be on camera with you guys to get you guys some footage. So this is absolutely a yes for me. But she's looking for a long-term partner. That's a yes. So you guys are seeing how I do it. 3 photos, I'm already knowing it's going to be a no. I have experience with Tinder. I know this is going to be a no. I can tell by how it's created. I already knew it's a no. You ain't reveal your face at all. Shades don't count. You know what I'm saying? This is a fake page. You know. Ooh. I know this is going to be a yes. But let's take a deep breath. The deep breath is for us to just stay back into our mode of swiping. Because I ain't going to lie, that's that one right here. Alright. Face shown twice. 3 times. This is a yes for me. I would like to get to know this person. But again, it's not a 100% that she's not evil. It just passed the first test. When you get to swipe with them and you match, learn more about them, what you do for a living, what you like to do for fun. You want to go bowling. You know what I'm saying? You want to do this. That's why I like Medellin over Cartagena, because you can still meet some regulars, and so you don't have to just mainly treat them as if they are a toy. You know, and they'll treat you better. I've noticed when dealing with Colombians in DR is when I treat them like humans. Like I'm in a different country, for me to buy them some food is $3, $2. You hungry? You want something to drink? When I treat them like that, they treat me better, man. You know what I'm saying? There's a reason why I went to DR twice. I went to Guadalajara, Mexico, and I went to Santo Domingo twice, because they want me to come back right now, because I treat them like human beings. It ain't just let's get right to it. You know, it's you want something to eat, you want something to drink. We watch TV a little bit. Now you know what time it is. We set the tone, and then it's on to the next one. You know what I'm saying? Face shown. I see they like to wear this type of style. This is a no for me. You know, follow your gut. That's another thing I would like to say. Follow your gut. If something don't seem right, don't go with it. Even if it's something that you, like for an example, some of y'all probably was saying, some of y'all probably would have said swipe right. Me, I didn't feel like it. I didn't feel it. It didn't feel like it's a swipe right. It's something just was odd about that. So follow your gut. That's important as well, man. The world, man, I don't want to sound over the top, but living in life, man, it's a lot. It's a lot, man. I don't want to get involved with. It's some things I want to say and some I don't. But I'm just gonna say that energy is real. Energy is real. That's all I say. This is a no-go for me. That's another thing. Follow your energy. If the energy don't feel right, I seen this chick, if I'm not mistaken, on the Flyboy Way channel. If I'm not mistaken. But she passed the test for me. Face shown. Body shown a little bit. Got a little tattoo that she hiding. red flag right there. This is a no-go for me. She's hiding that tattoo. Could be from her IG with music playing, but why are you hiding it? Is that a tattoo or a scar? You know what I'm saying? Are you hiding? Do you have something? So it's a no-go for me. I'm okay with swiping left on that. And that was pretty cute. She was cute. But I understand I'm going somewhere where they all are cute. How many minutes we got? We're going to do a few more. And again, I know that it could be sounding like I'm over-exaggerating. But I know who I am. I'm in tune with myself. So I don't care what people think. I'm going to have a good time, get you guys some good footage, and enjoy myself, and get on with my next trip. We're going somewhere else that's bigger than this. So as you guys just saw right there, my method of Tinder swiping. And again, I know it may seem like I'm overreacting or I'm overdoing this and overdoing that, but in certain areas you have to. But again, make sure they face identified, they are verified, they have IG, Facebook, you got a security guard, tip them, know some Spanish, and I think you can have a very amazing time there. And again, it's not to say that nothing in life is 100%. I mean, you get in a car, it's not 100% you're going to get back safely, but if you go the speed limit, wear a seatbelt, doing the right things, going the right areas, you probably would get back safely. And it's the same with anything you do in life.